Singh, and I welcome you to my video demonstration of task 5.2c, which is about making a GUI. So what we require in this to perform this task, the hardware requirement are the Raspberry Pi, installed noobs. So I have already set up the hardware components, which you can see here. This is the Raspberry Pi, and these are the connections which I will explain you later. And these three LEDs, we have to make a GUI as per the button. On whatever button we click, the corresponding LED light should turn on. This is the simple task which we have to perform. Alright, so what are the prerequisites to perform this task 4.13 and 5.13? You can take references from these three links. In my demonstration, I will explain you according to the interval. Now let us see what we have to do in this task, what we have to actually submit in this task, the video which we are currently working upon, and the real life usages. I will explain you later on. Firstly, we have to make a code for it. So here is the code which one should understand which one should know before going to perform this task. So firstly, as I already told you, we are going to complete this task with the tkinter library. So for that, I have imported a tkinter library. This is we will be using it for the making of our GUI. And then I have written over here from GPIO 0 input LED, import LED, LEDs to make the use of these inbuilt functions to initialize GPIO pins. Then here it is written box TK. This box will be used to access the functions of tkinter. Then the box.geometry. For the GUI, I have made a box of size 200 by 200. Let me show you. You can see it over here. This box I am talking about. Sorry, this box. You can change its size also. For example, I do 400 by 400, and then I run it. So this its size changes. It looks good at 200. So I am going to set it as 200. Then box not configured background as black. This you can also change according to your wish. Then label 2 equals to label box text. I have written for the heading over here. I have written this. This also depends on individual. And then baddie, which you do in web development. Baddie, which you give in CSS files. This is the same thing. Baddie 10. Just to make our GUI more good looking, that is why I have used 10. You can set it according to your wishes. Then I have made the functions for def red. Basically, our LED1 is set on pin 11, which is our LED, which is our red LED. Then 2 is for blue, and the third one is for green. And these are the pins which we have set them on. Alright, and also we have provided a common ground to all the three LEDs. Then let us understand for the red LED, and for the next two LEDs it is same. So if then I say if LED 1 dot is lit, then if the red LED is off, this is the custom message you can also build according to you. If I click the button, I'll show you like this. If the like this, red light is on, please stop. For by doing this task, I found that this can be a good example of a traffic light. I have taken we can I have written here over here a traffic light inspire. This can be a real life example of this task. Then if I say blue, then the blue light should turn on. You can see if you see here, the blue light should turn on like this. Blue has turned on, and this time the green light has turned on. Okay, I close this for now, and else red light is turned on, and light 1, right, LED 1 dot on means we have set LED 1. We had already set LED 1 as red, and it is now turned on. So similarly, like this part, for red, the blue and green can be understood easily, and for now the button 1 equals to the radio button, like we do in CSS. I have given it text as red and background color as red, command red. For if the radio button 1 is clicked upon, if we click upon the radio button 1, basically it looks like this. Radio button 1. This is the simple working of the button over here, and same goes for the button 2 and 3. After that, the label dot pack paddy 10. What we actually forget to mention what pack was. Pack variable is a variable that is used for displaying. Again, I can show you for the final time from where are these comments coming. Let's see. These comments are coming from here. Green light is on, green light is off and stop, and all these things. So this is the basic Python code for this task. Actually, the Raspberry Pi supports multiple languages, for example C, C++, Java, JavaScript, but this was also the requirement of this task, which I forgot to mention, that you have to develop your program in Python language and your GUI in Python language, and this is the final time I am showing my setup to you. So I hope you understand from my video tutorial, and you will be able to create